Hi guys, this is me eating a muffin in a time lapse. Okay?
I've been trying in vain to hold on. No matter what I say, keeping you close shouldn't be hard. If you were honest when you said you missed me, you've played with my pride, making me feel.
Okay guys, I'm back. I'm drinking a little monkey. It was so delicious. Now I'm gonna go to work. Did you just hit the lantern? Hit the plastic lantern.
Remember when we put the wall in there? I put the wall in there to get it down. That was fun,
I
right?
threw the apple juice bottle at it.
Yeah, that was fun. Yeah.
Okay guys, that's the end of the time lapse. Goodbye.